In this video, I'm going to be reviewing The Practice by Seth Godin and giving you my key takeaways from the book. This is going to be the first video of a 10 video series. I'm doing it as part of the YouTube 10 challenge with Matt Ragland, hashtag YouTube 10, and shout out to all of my fellow participants in the challenge. If you've never been to Matt's channel, I'm going to put a link down to that in the description. I highly recommend that you check it out. He's got great content and self-improvement, productivity, and the creator economy. For these 10 videos, I'm going to be doing one book review per video. These 10 books, 5 of them are on investing and economics, so directly related to the topic of my channel, and 5 are on self-improvement, productivity, which you can think of as investing in yourself. And a little backstory on where I came up with these books. If you saw my last full-length video, I recently moved from Seattle, Washington to where I'm at here now, close to Dallas, Texas. And as part of that, I had to do a long road trip, 2 long road trips here, 32 hours of driving each time, which gave me a lot of time to listen to audiobooks. The first key takeaway that I got from this book is to focus on the process, not the outcome. And this can apply to a lot of things, but especially when it comes to creative work. You don't want to wait around for inspiration and then create something. You do the work first, and that leads you to being creative. The second key takeaway that I got from the book is to trust in yourself. No matter what you think or what anyone has said, you definitely have something valuable to share with the world. Sometimes it just takes doing the work to find that voice. You're going to feel like an imposter, but as you keep doing it and just trusting the process, the confidence will eventually come. And that brings me to my third key takeaway from the book, which is to learn from what you ship. So now that you are focused on the process, not the outcome, and you're trusting in yourself and you're shipping regularly, that's when you keep iterating and learn from what you do and keep getting better and better. That's what I hope to do with this channel and with these videos. I hope that you're here to watch the next 9 videos on the books that I do. Please let me know in the comments what I can do to improve, and I hope to see you in my next video.